We'll guide you through how to make a YouTube channel on an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to go and start posting videos on there, or you want to go and browse YouTube using it. We'll guide you through how it can be done. So to get started, you can go and get the YouTube app. You can get that from the App Store. Then at the bottom, we can go and press U. What we can then do is go and press sign in like so. Now YouTube obviously is part of Google, so it's going to go and use your Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, don't worry. You can scroll down and press create account and follow through with the steps. If you already have a Google account, then it's even easier. When you sign in or create a Google account, you'll then see the different channels as a part of the Google account. I've got a few here as I've already made more. I'll be guiding you through that. By default, you're just going to have one with your name. So you have a Google or YouTube account, but now to go and make a channel, open Safari. What you want to do at the top is go and type in studio.youtube.com. Go and press enter like so, press the gear or cog icon in the bottom left like so, press channel, then advanced settings, scroll down and press manage YouTube account. Scroll down and press add or manage your channels, and then what we can do is press create a channel, and we can now go and create one. Let's go and give this a name. We can go and see the handle, and then in the bottom right here, we can press create channel. What you can then do is come into the YouTube app again, press U in the bottom right and press switch account. Then we can scroll through here and we can go and select the channel just here, and we can start using it.